Hi students, today we are starting our next topic, cytokinesis. It is the division of protoplast of cell into two daughter cells after karyokinesis. Animal cytokinesis. Appearance of furrow in plasma membrane which deepens and joins the center dividing cell cytoplasm into two. Plant cytokinesis. Formation of new cell wall begins with the formation of a simple precursor, that is cell plate, which represent the middle lamella between the walls of two adjacent cells. Now we will see, this is the furrow. These are two animal cells where furrows are forming. Furrow means cell is dividing, and here also it is like furrow, but it is known as cell plate, or it is also like cell plate, but it is known as furrow. It is known as cell plate. Now here you can see plant cell, two cells, from one cell two cell, and from animal cell from one cell to two cell. These are centrioles. This one. Now significance of mitosis: growth, addition of the cell, maintenance of surface or volume, maintenance of chromosomal number, regeneration, reproduction in unicellular organism, repair and wound healing. Now we are starting with meiosis. It is divided into two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. A specialized kind of cell division that reduces the chromosome number by half, resulting in the formation of 4 haploid daughter cells, occurs during gametogenesis in plants and animals. Interphase occur prior to meiosis, which is similar to interphase of mitosis except the S phase is prolonged. 4 haploid daughter cells are formed, prophase 1, which is divided into 5 substages: leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene and dikinesis. We are starting with leptotene. Chromosomes make their single-stranded structure. Compaction of chromosomes continues. Zygotene. Homologous chromosome start pairing, and this process of association is called synapsis. Means the fusion of chromosome pairs at starting of the meiosis. Chromosomal synapsis is accompanied by the formation of synaptomial complex. Complex formed by a pair of synapse homologous chromosome is called bivalent or tetrad. A bivalent is the one pair of chromosome in a tetrad, and a tetrad is the association of a pair of homologous chromosome. And homologous chromosomes are what? They have the similar shape, size and structure, but with 4 sister chromatids, 2 short, 2 longer. Now pachytene. Crossing over. It is a basic concept of genetics and cell biology, often called recombination. It occurs during meiosis. It is the exchange of chromosome segments between one sister chromatid during the production of gametes, and it occurs between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome. Now diplotene. Dissolution of synaptonemal complex is a protein structure that forms between homologous chromosome during meiosis and is thought to mediate synapsis and recombination during meiosis 1. In eukaryotes occurs, and the recombined chromosomes separate from each other except at the site of crossing over. The egg-shaped structures are called chiasmata, and chiasmata is the point of contact, the physical link between two chromatids belonging to homologous chromosome. At a given chiasmata, an exchange of genetic material can occur. Dikinesis. Terminalization means chiasmata move towards the end of the chromosome, and which is known as terminalization, where upwards in mitosis I taught you. Chromosomes are fully condensed and meiotic spindle assembles, a nucleolus disappear and nuclear envelope breaks down. Now here you can see leptotene, thin, but they are trying to become condensed. Zygotene, here synapsis. In synapsis they will come together, they will become like zipper manner Pachytene, that is crossing over. You can see how they are combining with each other, crossing over. Chiasmata formation, but still they are connected to one point, that is chiasmata formation. And terminalization, and after a particular timing you can see how this chromosome is becoming in this manner and this is becoming in this manner, because at this area crossing over was done. So this is terminalization and dikinesis. One more time we will see leptotene, chromosomes are single but trying to condense. Zygotene, chromosomes are in zipper manner, crossing over. In Pachytene, they are attached to a one point, that is known as chiasmata, and after particular timing you can see this part will attach to this chromosome, pink part will attach to blue chromosome, and blue part will attach to pink chromosome. This is known as dikinesis. So this is the process 1 of meiosis 1. So today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.